Well, the Trinamool Congress member of parliament right now are protesting in front of the Kartavya Bhavan, which is the office of Home Minister Amit Shah. You can see 8 MPs from the Trinamool Congress are present out here, and they are protesting against the Enforcement Directorate raid which was carried out at the office of IPAC and also at the residence of Pratik Jain. Now, yesterday we had seen that how the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, she came down to the office of IPAC and also at the residence of Pratik Jain, and she called the Enforcement Directorate raid as unconstitutional, as illegal. Now, we had seen that yesterday statement after statement was given by the Enforcement Directorate as well as the Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. I have with me Kirti Azad, Member of Parliament. Sir, yesterday we had seen that the kind of raids that was carried.
Democratic. You don't expect. I mean, these people are so frustrated. They know they can't win. They can't defeat Mamata Bandyopadhyay in Bengal. TMC cannot be defeated. And hence, they are trying to unnecessarily torture and take away documents. The documents, which documents? The TMC documents, which has got the strategy, which has got the candidate numbers, which candidates are going to fight the elections, and all the other documents related to the election work, SIR and other things, which was explained by Mamata Bandyopadhyay yesterday when she was addressing the press. So they are basically trying to win by hook or by crook. Unfortunately, they don't have a chance because the internal survey of the BJP says that they are not getting more than 25 seats. And hence, they are using all these kind of tactics, which is not going to be successful at all. They are like earlier the ED was called the parrot. I mean, the CBI was called the parrot. These guys are the menas of the central government of Modi and Amit Shah.
Sir, we have seen that the Enforcement Directorate has now moved the Calcutta High Court.
Let them move anywhere. How can you come and raid somebody which is just an agency? And they're aiding on pretext which is not true, which is very unfortunate.
So you can see that the Member of Parliament right now are protesting in large numbers. Will speak to the Member of Parliament. Sir, हमने देखा है जिस तरीके से कल Enforcement Directorate ने
যতই করো হামলা আবার জিতবে বাংলা ইডি দিয়ে যতই করো হামলা ইডি দিয়ে অমিত শাহ যতই করো হামলা ইডি দিয়ে যতই করো হামলা আবার জিতবে বাংলা অমিত শাহ ইডি দিয়ে যতই করো হামলা নরেন্দ্র মোদি ইডি দিয়ে যতই করো হামলা ইডি দিয়ে যতই করো হামলা
सर हमने देखा है कि आज चीफ मिनिस्टर खुद प्रोटेस्ट करेंगी कोलकाता में, किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
देखिए, अपन को बचाने का आपका अधिकार है। हम लोग का जो डॉक्यूमेंट है, हम लोग का जो रणनीति है, ये बीजेपी आप जानती है पहले से बंगाल का जो गवर्नमेंट का सारे जो स्कीम है वो कॉपी किया था। आज जो हुआ वो अभी हम लोग का जो 26 में चुनाव है वो चुनाव का रणनीति जा वो छीन लेने के लिए ईडी को भेजा, क्योंकि इसका हिम्मत नहीं है चुनाव में लड़ने का, ये हिम्मत है इनका चोरी करने का। यही चोरी करने से अभी वो ये स्टेडियम में वो गया था हम लोग का ऑफिस में, जहाँ पे हम लोग का रणनीति ठीक कर रहा है, हम लोग का जो प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है, हम लोग का जो राजनीति जो हम लोग का सुझाव दे रहा है, उनको ऑफिस में गया था और डॉक्यूमेंट छीनने के लिए गया था। इनको हम तीव्र भाषा से इसको विरोध कर रहे हैं। ईडी दिए जतोई करो हमला
मैम
अमित शाह ईडी दिए जतोई करो हमला
मैम
अमित शाह ईडी दिए जतोई करो
Ma'am, we have seen that the Enforcement Directorate carried out raids at the IPAC office and at the residence of Pratik Jain, and Chief Minister herself have been leading from front. What do you have to say?
Yes, obviously, yesterday what we saw was unprecedented in the history of any democracy, where the BJP government used an agency as an agent of political loot and political espionage. This was no ED raid. This is some old 7-10 year case. Were they sleeping? Were they sleeping for the last 10 years? That 1 month before an election, and IPAC is the political strategist and consultant, and all our information, all our surveys, all our documents, everything is stored in that office. We are in contract with them for the election. That they have sent the ED there to pick up all of that information, to steal that information and to use it to try and get an advantage in the Bengal polls. It is because Mamata Banerjee is a tigress, that she leads from the front, that she went inside there and she made every effort to stop it. That is our party's property which was being robbed, and Mamata Banerjee is fully justified in stopping that. And so we have shown everybody this is the way to fight. Does BJP think that we are going to sit back and take all this nonsense? We are here to fight till death. We will fight them on the ground till their end, and Amit Shah should understand this. If he has the guts to fight, he should come and fight us on the political field.